Hey everyone, welcome back to Intellect Insight. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a strong personal brand online in 2025 and stand out from the crowd. Whether you are an entrepreneur, content creator, or just someone who wants to grow their influence, this guide is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step is to get super clear on your niche. Ask yourself, what topics am I passionate about? Who do I want to help? What unique value can I offer? For example, instead of just saying, I want to be in fitness, go deeper. I help busy professionals stay fit with 10-minute workouts. Find your ideal audience and tailor your content to solve their problems. Step 2. Content is king. In 2025, content is still the backbone of personal branding. Here's what works best: videos like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, blogs and articles such as LinkedIn, Medium, and probably your website, visual posts, infographics, carousels, and stories. The key is to be consistent. Post at least 3 to 4 times a week on your main platform. And don't forget to provide value, solve problems, and share insights and entertain your audience. Step 3. Master social media. Pick 2 to 3 social media platforms that align with your brand. Here's what works: Instagram and TikTok. Great for personal branding, reels, and engagement. LinkedIn. Ideal for professionals and business branding. YouTube. The best for long form content and monetization. Use trending hashtags, post engaging captions, and interact with your audience in the comments. Here, I would like to give you a tip. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for content ideas and Canva for designing visuals. Step 4. Build relationships. Personal branding isn't just about posting content, it's about building relationships. Here's how to do it: engage with influencers in your niche, join Facebook groups, Twitter spaces, and LinkedIn communities. Collaborate on podcasts, YouTube videos, or IG lives. The more people you connect with, the faster your brand will grow. Step 5. Make money from your brand. Once your brand start growing, here's how you can monetize: sponsorships and brand deals, selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, templates, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and consulting. Remember, a strong personal brand is equal to unlimited income opportunities. And that's it. Now you have everything you need to start building your personal brand in 2025. Comment below what's your niche. I'd love to know. See you in the next one. Keep building your brand and making an impact.